Okay, so ngayon na dumating na ang aking mga hinihintay na components para buuin yung aking Red Komodo cinema rig. Tara, samahan nyo akong i-build siya. Pero bago ang lahat, let's roll the intro para maging pro! Hey, what's up guys? Ryanaudencial and maraming salamat po ulit sa pagbabalik nyo dito sa channel ko. As some of you might know, no, ako po ay may bagong eksperimentong gagawin, no, dahil meron po akong bagong camera. So, sa tagal-tagal na paghihintay ko ng mga components para buuin yung kanyang cinema rig, ayan na, dumating na yung mga inaasahan kong dadating. In this video, we're going to build Butcher ang aking Red Komodo. So, let's see anong magiging itsura ni Butcher. So, huwag na natin patagalin pa. Let's go right into it! Okay, so, simulan natin to. Siyempre, we have our Red Komodo here. Our brand new 6K cinema camera. And his name is Butcher. So, ayan siya, no? First, para malagyan natin ng mga components or ng iba't ibang accessories, siyempre, kailangan natin lagyan ng cage. At meron tayo ditong Smallrig Red Komodo cage. I went with the Smallrig Komodo cage dahil una, mura. Dahil naubos na ang pambili natin ng accessories dahil sa presyo ng camera. And lightweight. Lightweight siya and yeah, halos lahat ng accessories ko kasi ay Smallrig parts. Siyempre para may protection din yung ating Red Komodo, no, kailangan natin ng cage. So, I'll just set some of these aside muna. We have our Smallrig cage and papasok lang natin siya dyan. There. So we have our Smallrig cage already installed, pero meron pa siyang additional screws dito sa side just so we can like secure it a little bit more. And ang maganda dito sa Smallrig cage, meron kang pang tighten na flat screw and meron ka ding Allen key. Make sure it's nice and tight. Etong kabilang side, no, etong kaliwa, no, etong kabilang side, etong left side, I won't be needing this. Good thing itong Smallrig cage ay nahahati sa isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat na parts, no. We have itong ilalim, itong kanan, itong kaliwa, at yung top part. So we won't be needing this side, itong kaliwa, dahil may gagawin tayo. So I won't be screwing this, and I will be removing this one. And we have more screws up top. Tanggalin natin siya. Okay. We won't be needing this part. Okay? Pwede naman natin siyang gamitin next time. So, and ang reason bakit ko tinanggal yon, no, bakit ko tinanggal yung side na yon, is I'll be using this red wing grip. It's an accessory from Red Digital Cinema mismo. So I bought this sa B&H and I'll be putting it there, no? And it has its own screw na. So okay, we have our wing grip dito sa side na to. It's nice to have a handle on this side, no? Ang kaliwang kamay ko is laging nasa lente nakahawak. It's really nice to have a handle like this on this side din. So every time na kailangan mo siyang i-carry around, meron kang point of contact here or may handle ka dito. Now we have our problem. Since itong Smallrig cage ay may top part, no, at medyo may gewang-gewang dito dahil nga nawala na yung screws dito, all I do is use another screw here para naka-screw pa rin siya doon sa ibabaw. Ayan. Kailangan ko din siyang i-screw dito para mas secure siya. So, kailangan kasi yan. Para mas safe siya, hindi siya gagalaw-galaw. Kasi lalagyan ko ng top handle dito mamaya. So, kailangan hindi siya gagalaw-galaw. The next thing that I'll be attaching is, of course, my right side handle grip. It's the wooden grip. It's the same with my Z cameras nung una. Kaya ako rin binili yung Smallrig cage dahil nga may rosette mount dito sa gilid. Meron na ako nito, so might as well gamitin ko na rin kaysa bumili ako ng Delta cage. No? Sayang naman. Alam mo naman, naubos ang pera natin sa camera pa lang. So, I'll be attaching it here And there. And meron din siyang hidden Allen key sa ilalim, so just so you can tighten that up. And now we have our side handle grip here. The next thing that we'll be attaching is our power supply. Sa Red Komodo, pwede kang gumamit ng BP9 batteries, yung mga Canon batteries. Pero wala nun dito sa Pilipinas. Wala akong mabiling ganun. So I'll be using my FXLion Nano 1. This lasts longer than the BP9, no? And one battery for all. If hindi mo pa napapanood yung review video ko dito, panoorin mo dito. Yan. So I'll be using the FXLion Nano 1. But in order for you to use this on the Komodo, you'll be needing a V-mount battery plate. I chose the Tilta V-mount battery plate, no? Dahil ito yung pinakamura. So I'll be using this just so I can attach this and have power dun sa ating camera. It has these two Canon BP9 dummy batteries, no? And I'll be like put it in here. Attach. Okay. So, ayan na. Naikabit na natin yung ating Tilta V-mount battery plate dito sa ating likod ng ating Komodo. So, we can now attach our FXLion Nano 1 dito sa likod. The next thing that we're going to attach, of course, is a lens. So ayun nga, no, I have here two lenses. No, I have here my 18 to 35 art lens. Para sundan yung 35mm, I have here my 24 to 70 art lens. Since this is a full frame lens nga, magiging 35 to 114 something siya. So magkadugtong sila. But sa video na to ang gagamitin ko. The 24 to 70 kasi ito yung pinaka-stick. But now, in order for us to attach this here, we have to have our adapter. Kasi ang Red Komodo does have an RF mount sa kanyang body, and this one is an EF mount. No? Good thing, sa box ng Komodo may kasamang RF to EF adapter. Let's use it to adapt our lens. There you go. Lens C there. So, yan. Tsura pa lang. Tsura pa lang. Ang ganda na. Oh, tsura pa lang. Forma pa lang. Ang lupit na. Ito ang gamit ko. Gagamitin ko, or itong setup ko siguro pag run and gun. But sometimes we need our monitor. So I'll show you Rig A or run and gun setup. No? Option 1. Kapag kayong napagtripan ko lang mag-shoot somewhere sa labas or somewhere. Yung hindi masyadong professional setup. So I have here my Smallrig monitor mount na may NATO rail, swivel and tilt. So itong top Smallrig cage ay may NATO rail. So there, just slide it in. Oh. Now, itong Red Komodo ay merong Red Control app. Pwede mong kontrolin through iPhone. So let's just turn this thing on at ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ooh, gets me every time. Now, I'll be using my phone nga as my run and gun monitor, and I'll show you how that goes. Now, meron tayo dito ang Smallrig iPhone 11 Pro case. Now, iPhone 11 pa rin po si Kuya Ray. I don't see the need bakit ako mag-upgrade to 14 kasi nagagamit ko pa naman. And isa pa, wala na akong pambili nun. So, I'll be just mounting or using this cage as my phone case. So, we have our iPhone case now. I'll be using this as my monitor para sa aking Red Komodo. And then we have our feed. There you go. So we have our monitor, or we have our phone as our monitor. Na magandang setup din siya, no, kapag kayo nga napagtripan mo lang mag-shoot. No, though it has a delay. May delay siya ng konti, no. Siguro mga half a second lang naman. But if kailangan mo lang ng reference monitor at kailangan mong kontrolin ang iyong Komodo, ito, magandang solusyon, no? Well, this is just my setup pagka yung mga run and gun lang. Hindi masyadong professional yung environment, no? So there. But, yun nga, bigyan ko pa kayo ng isa pang setup pagka yung professional na yung environment. So, I'll be just removing this. The next thing I need to do is to mount a top handle para dun sa ating professional setup naman. I'll be using this top handle, my same old top handle. Ito pa rin yun, no? Hindi ako nagbibili dahil meron naman ako eh, no? So ito pa rin yung gamit ko kay Rhaegar at kay Tywin dun sa aking Fujifilm X-T4. I'm still using my Fujifilm X-T4. So, since meron nga tong NATO rail sa ibabaw, all we need to do is to slide this in and lock this. And we have our top handle ready to go, no? Next natin is our monitor mount dahil nga lalagyan natin ang monitor dito. I have here the Smallrig swivel and tilt monitor mount with ARRI locating pins for me. So we have our top handle and our monitor mount here, and we are going to be using my Desview R7S. Ang Red Komodo ay may SDI output. Wala siyang HDMI output. The R7S, medyo luma na to sa akin, may mga scratches na rin. Meron siyang SDI in and out. Meron din siyang HDMI in and out. So, swak na swak. So, yan. Mount na natin. Okay, so we have our monitor attached. Now we are going to be using a new modular mat box from Smallrig. So this is their new modular mat box. I'll be reviewing this one. So the mat box came with this na rings, no, para sa mga lente natin. We use the 82mm adapter, and now we have our mat box attached. So desu ne. So we have our build right here. Now, of course, hindi naman to gagana kapag walang mga kable. So I have here my D-tap to DC in cable for the monitor. Okay. Maganda dito sa tilt power V-mount plate. Meron siyang mga D-tap connections. Meron din LEMO connections. Meron ding 5-volt USB connection doon. And we have a D-tap connection here as well. So, let me just swing this right in here. So, I guess that's the way to go. We have our monitor turned on. Now, for us to connect the monitor to the camera, we need an SDI, 12G SDI cable. Now that our monitor and our camera is turned on, we can now attach our SDI right there. So we have our SDI connection ready to roll. Now, before I forget, no, di tayo makakapag-shoot pag wala tayong media or wala tayong storage media. So there, I have here 256 gigabytes, and I have here a 512 gigabytes na. Since itong ang Red Komodo ay gumagamit ng Red Code Raw or raw ng Red, medyo malaki siya kumain ng storage media. So I have here a terabyte or 3 cards na para doon sa ating media storage. So ang akin lang, pagka magko-Komodo kayo, make sure na ready kayo sa storage space. So I have here yun nga, 3. And this is not cheap. Pansit Canton, buong taon. That's the way it is. In order for you to play with the big boys, you should be a big boy first. Okay, so there you have it. I'll be using the 256 lang muna for now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir! So now we have our Red Komodo, and I switched into a FXLion Nano 2 dahil nga mas professional at mas malayo ang mararating, no? Bakit daw ako nag-Red Komodo? Why? Because I wanted to up my production value. Gusto ko ma-penetrate yung mga clients na naghahanap ng higher production value pagdating sa technical aspects like quality ng camera. This is more of a big production setup na isang camera. Gusto ko ma-penetrate yung market na yun. Now, if kailangan ko ng mga cameras for a smaller production setups, I still have my Fujifilm X-T4 and my XS10, which is my top camera. Binili ko to hindi lang sa gusto ko to. Binili ko to dahil kailangan ko to at para ma-up ko nga yung clientele or yung network ng clients na gusto kong i-market or gusto kong i-penetrate. Hindi nyo kailangan ng isang cinema camera. I'm saying it all over again. Hindi nyo kailangan ng isang cinema camera. Kung ano man ang camerang meron kayo ngayon, gamitin nyo yan. Depende kasi yan sa demand na kailangan. And syempre, kailangan ko rin to since I'm planning to create my own narrative films na doon ako nakatingin sa narrative films. Yun kasi yung pangarap ko talaga, maging direktor ng isang pelikula. So that's why this is the first step para maabot ko na yung pangarap ko. And sino ba namang filmmaker ang di nangangarap ng isang red camera or isang ARRI camera or isang full-blooded cinema camera. Fini-feature ko ang red Komodo para rin ma-share ko sa inyo kung ano nga ba yung dahilan bakit gusto ko to or bakit gusto siya ng maraming tao. Hindi para ipagmayabang sa inyo. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung happiness na nararamdaman ko dahil meron ako nito. Okay? Don't take it the wrong way. Now, if nagustuhan mo tong video na to, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and click that bell as well. Once again, this has been ryanaudencial. Thank you so much for being here, and see you in the next video. Let's go and show them our boxer shorts.